Welcome to Candy Monsters, your learning partner.
Whoa! Look at that tiny little creature. It's a spider! But wait, what is it doing? Is it building something? Spiders are tiny engineers that build strong, sticky and beautiful webs. But how do they do it? Let's jump into the world of spiders. Get ready for a sticky adventure. First, let's meet our tiny friends. Spiders aren't insects. They belong to a special family called arachnids. Arachnids. Spiders have 8 legs and 2 body parts, a head and a big round belly. And guess what? Some spiders can jump, some can run super fast, and some even glow in the dark. Isn't that just amazing? Now here's the coolest part. How do spiders make webs? Well, spiders have a special silk-making machine inside their bellies called spinnerets. Isn't that fascinating? Their tiny bodies can squirt out sticky silk, which hardens into a super strong web. Can you believe it? In fact, spider silk is stronger than steel. Mind-blowing, right? Now watch closely. A tiny mosquito is flying beat, and boom! It gets trapped in the sticky web. Spiders use their webs like invisible nets to catch bugs like flies, mosquitoes, and even bigger insects. But wait. How come spiders don't get stuck in their own webs? It's because they have special feet that can step on the web without getting trapped. Now for some awesome spider facts. Did you know that the biggest spider in the world is the Goliath bird-eating tarantula? It's as big as a dinner plate. And the smallest spider is tinier than a grain of salt. Some spiders can even walk on water. They use their hairy legs to float and move like little boat captains. Isn't that just amazing? Wow, spiders are tiny web builders, bug catchers and super engineers. They really are incredible, don't you think? Now tell us, have you ever seen a spider make a web? Go ahead and comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more awesome bug adventures. See you next time. Stay curious.
Subscribe to Candy Monsters, your learning partner.